guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be a series that I'm going to be doing, and that is organization, remodeling, different parts of my home. So with today's video, we are starting with my closet, and everything that I'm doing, I tried to do very reasonably. So I'm pretty sure with everything in my closet, it's off of Amazon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Master closet was a disaster. There's no good way of saying it. It was a disaster. The way that our master closet is built, and I will show you some before pictures, please do not judge me. There is a middle section that had like open shelving, so anything that you put in it, it just fell through, so it was kind of useless. My husband's was originally on the right side and mine was on the left. Number one tip, y'all: get rid of what you're not wearing. If you haven't worn it, get rid of it. And then I had to tackle the fact that the dress, we needed to switch sides so that my husband would have more room. And so that's what I did. And in order to do that, the rack bar went all the way across the wall. So I just took our circular saw and I just chopped that bar off, you know, at a point where I knew I could get the dresser in. There's still a lot of room. Okay, y'all, look at that mess. Oh, Lord. But husband's stuff is on this side. The dresser is there. I haven't organized anything. My stuff is here, and I will organize. Now I'm getting ready to switch all of this and the shelves. And then I'm going to backboard this part so that nothing goes through, and that'll be for my shoes. That's the goal. Then I had to tackle the open shelving because it was really, things would just fall over, you know. And so what I did was get a backer board. So got the board, circular saw, just gonna make a line down here. I'm gonna paint, I'm gonna go back in, make sure that it fits, then I'm gonna paint it. And I just covered, very simple. This is very easy to do. Again, circular saw, measured it, cut it, it fit perfect. I painted it prior to installing it, and then I put it on there, and that way what I did was it became my shoe area. Okay guys, so this is the end of day one. I've got the painting done. I decided to paint this. This is drying, so that's why it looks kind of splotchy. And then I got the backer board in. I decided just to do these shelves. So we've got these 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to leave this open because we have this cut out here, so I figure we'll just leave this open. But I painted the backboard. Did want to paint an accent wall because the closet, you know, is boring. And when you open these little doors, they're sort of like these little tiny miniature French doors, if you wish they were French doors, but they're little miniature doors. So when they're open, it's kind of nice to have an accent wall. Got a beautiful gray from Sherwin Williams. Everything will be listed in the description box, including the paint color. Loved it so much I painted my vanity. That will be a different video, so you'll be able to see how I transform my master bathroom. The next thing that I did after painting everything was, okay, we have to organize. And it's still not perfect, y'all. I would love all my hangers to be the same and my husband's to all be the same. His are all wooden, but some are light and some are dark. And mine are all primarily gray, but there's some black ones in there and some other colors. They're the felt hangers, and eventually I will get to where all the hangers will match. Let's take a little walk into my closet and I will show you up close and personal some of the things that I did. Okay, y'all, so these are the doors that I was talking about. And when you open them up, what I wanted was to have an accent wall. So I painted this wall, and this is that middle section that I was talking about here. So I painted this wall this beautiful, beautiful gray color. I painted all inside the cubbies, and then on this side you can see what I did was just put up a piece of backer board. Really simple, just a couple little screws. Relatively speaking, this is a very, very small closet. Not as small as some, but certainly not as big as others. So these are some of the things that I really love and helped me organize. So what I did was, instead of having my sweaters hung up, I used the cubbies and I just color coordinated my sweaters. These are my jeans, and then I went to my tall boots down there. And then these are the shoe. See, I have another one ordered. This is what these little shoe things look like. I have to take this out. And what it is the one shoe sits there and the other shoe sits here. The other great thing is it is adjustable. So see, you just flip this up and now it's a flat, so you could put a sandal, or just raise it up. There we go, and you can put your heels. These are huge space savers. Where there's all my espadrilles down here, and then I have my booties here. And so I've ordered another set, and they're about $1 a piece, so super reasonable. And you can see I even wanted to see if my husband's tennis shoes would fit, and they fit perfectly. So for him, this is awesome. And then with regards to bins, I got these ones off of Amazon. I just thought they were really cute. They're canvas totes. And what I did was I didn't know whether I'd need 5 or 6. So I have 5 all the way across, and then I have a little extra one here. And what I did was I just put my sandals in here. So my flip-flops and sandals. And then I made these little tags. I got these off of Amazon with a little bit of rope, and then I just got a little label maker. So these ones say sandals. My sheets are up here. I've got swimsuits here, and so then I just labeled them so I know what's in them. Not that I'm really gonna forget. And then I just thought it was kind of cute to have just this little section just be decorative. And then up here, I have some of my handbags, and they're actually, I don't know if you could see, but you see the little plastic dividers? That's just dividing my handbags. I have a whole bunch more to do, and I had to order another set of the plastic dividers. So I'll go all the way across. And then I'm looking for a super cute wooden step stool to keep in here, because obviously that's too tall. Now, what I did, I'm just going to show you, I cut off the rack here so that I had just this area here, and then I have an area behind here. So this is all of my evening wear and dresses, because it's a nice long area. And then all of this is all my dresses, because it's nice and long. The bar doesn't interfere. And then same thing with my husband. We cut the bar off, and then we have these, let me show you. I tore my rotator cuff, y'all, so bear with me. Okay, so see, these are great for like men's shirts and stuff. You just hang them on there, and then you just pull this down, and they are space saving, huge. So he has a lot of room. The other thing that I got for him as well is pants. These are awesome. So what they do is this little thing just pops up and out. Pair of pants on, and then hang them up, and then it slips there. So it holds, I think, 4 or 5 pair of pants. So I just separated them out to brown and black. So he decorated his area with his army. He was in the military for 24 years. So with his military stuff, these bins, which are great, they fit perfectly. So I ordered them for him, and then I have some up here for extra storage as well. So on his side, I put these little totes for him to store his things. Totes just fit perfect. So you can find anything off of Amazon that you need to make things organized. And then we switched out the light fixture. Let me zoom you in. I love this because it's not just feminine, but it also has that hint of masculinity as well. And we put the Edison bulbs in, and it's just beautiful. It was really easy to install, and $45, you guys. It's like so reasonable. Alright guys, so that is it for my master closet organization redo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and look for additional videos like this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!